I have studied modern psychology, I have studied ancient healing, I've relied on Western medicine, and I've practiced Eastern medicine. I don't think it's a matter of one replacing the other or one being better than another. We need to start living in a way that brings all of humanity's best practices of all time together here and now. We are too intellectual to just do energy healing and think we're gonna walk away healing our past and traumas. At the same time, energy healing will reach depths that talk therapy will just never touch. So simply put, we need both. Just as Chinese medicine or Ayurvedic medicine can empower us to understand and care for our health by understanding our bodies, we still benefit from Western testing and Western medicine. One is not better than the other, but together we reach optimal health. We cannot rely on the government or schools or healthcare systems to truly take care of all of our needs. We need to govern our own bodies, we need to educate ourselves, and we need to advocate for our health as individuals and within our families. If we are truly going to evolve as humans and live in a place of joy and optimal health, then we need to understand what is a human being, what makes up this human existence. Thoughts, emotions, health, well-being must be looked at from a modern psychological perspective, while also including ancient healing and modalities that have helped and served humanity for thousands of years. Let's live at a time where we bring it all together, grow and evolve. Stop attempting to figure it all out alone. Reach out, get support, and let's bring it all together.